How about this action sucks? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, June the 17th. These markets are brutal right now. I mean, there is no action. Volatility is so far overpriced in the options market, and there's no movement. That's not a good mix with high volatility, okay? So either we are going to go right back up again, which we've tried for the last 4 days, other than today's a little bit of reversal, although the markets are mixed, or we're going to get crushed. Okay. Again, I know it's a wide open thing, but again, there's something going on underneath the surface, and of course, the lack of liquidity isn't helping anything. At the end of the day, we were up big early, and the S&P kept holding resistance and making lower highs, and then finally, they all fell apart. Now we're again slightly lower on the Dow S&P, higher on the Nasdaq, and the Russell's getting crucified today. So again, I mean, based on our positions, I'd have to assume lower. We are long the Nasdaq and short everything else. But again, there's absolutely nothing to do. Getting involved in this market right now is what I would say a fool's game. Okay, other than carrying a position, I'm talking about trying to be active and trading. It's too hard to come out when there's no action, no movement. So again, I warn you from being overly active here. We will sit with our positions because we're not concerned about the liquidity or what's going on, because we're not getting out anyways. We won't get out at least until tomorrow of anything. So again, we're done for the day. Whatever we did, which was nothing today, but whatever we're going to do is going to be there. So again, that's why I use the algorithms to trade and not have to worry about what's going on day to day. In the meantime, gold looks awful. Now again, it's come back from significant lows once again. It continues to maintain and hold that 1725 August futures. But again, it don't look good. I mean, again, we're long. It doesn't look good. Silver, I don't know. It's just hovering around support. Again, doesn't look good either. And of course, platinum, we're short, which we've already reversed. Oil, it's down a little bit. But again, I still say the tops are in. I'm only waiting for the algorithm to catch up so we can short it. In the meantime, we're still long crude. Nat gas, we're shorts, up slightly. Copper, we're long, it's up. Bonds, we're long, they're up along with the notes. Okay. Again, I don't know. The Fed, I'm sure, will be back for some more manipulation here if the dollar gets too carried away, because the dollar's rallying again now as well. And we know how the Fed hates that. Again, more of their nonsense, okay, and showing how clueless they are about how actually markets really work. Okay. But the grain markets are very interesting action for grain traders, okay? We've got the funds, which are massively short. We've got commercials, which are long, and they're waiting to load up some more, okay? And I'm telling you that, to me, being short here in corn and beans is another fool's game. Now, I could be wrong, okay? We're long on both. But again, from straight basics, okay, the funds are typically always wrong, okay? The commercials are typically always right. And so if you look, the funds are trying to take advantage of these illiquid conditions, and I think they're going to get barbecued when it's all said and done. In the meantime, wheat does look like it's potentially breaking down, which is another issue, again, for the wheat traders. But overall, again, the lack of liquidity, the lack of action shows us that there's really nothing happening, okay? And the meats, feeder cattle is a little bit higher. Fat cattle or live cattle is a little bit lower. Hogs are lower again. Surprise! We're long cattle and short hogs, okay? But again, when you look at the overall picture, it's just dull. There's just nothing really to do. So you can only really get yourself into trouble if you decide to do anything crazy. Relax, pick your spots if you want to trade. But today, in my opinion, is a great day to go to the golf course, go anywhere. Okay, turn the machine off and go. Let the algorithms ride and forget about everything else. In the meantime, don't forget about our great commodity report, Technomental. It's gotten rave reviews, and of course, again, it's written by Andy Hecht, who is the #1 author at Seeking Alpha. But also, Andy has traveled worldwide as a banker and traded physical commodities and places you and I wouldn't want to be. Okay, but again, he's been in the business for 40 years as well. So again, I urge you to check it out. Go to bubbatrading.com and check out Technomental. And of course, don't forget about our brokerage partners, CTG. for futures and commodities. They do all of our letter direction trading. They've got great customer service, and they'll take care of you, which is, again, what else can you ask for from a broker? And of course, for equities, Tradier is by far the best in my opinion. Okay, again, first of all, they're $10 a month flat. There is none of that sneaky ticket charges or per contract charge that you get with many others. Okay, it truly is $10 a month, nothing else. Okay, they've got great service as well. They take care of it. Plus, their APIs and our software talk to each other as we develop and get more automated. It'll be a great thing for all of you. In the meantime, trade your brokerage. If you'd like to check out either Tradier or CTG, just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. And don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Look, again, some days are meant to be traded and some days are not. And right now, this is one that is meant to be turned off, watch TV, do anything, but look at the markets, okay? Again, there's always time to get back if you see something going on. In the meantime, it's quiet, relax, be healthy, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.